So I've talked about this in a different video, that I'm running out of room in my garage. I have a 1.5 car garage. And it's to the point that I'm having to move stuff to get to other stuff. So I built these shelves back here, and I'm gonna do the same thing, but I'm gonna build a top shelf all the way around and then build more shelves over here. I'm gonna do it today. I went and bought some 2x10s to span all the way across. Anyways, I'll show you the before and after. Oh, by the way, this big open area in the middle, that's actually where I park my car at night. But that's where I'm at right now. Okay, so have everything moved out of the way. Like I said, I have a lot of stuff, but I don't want to get rid of it because I use everything. Like motorcycle takes up room, four-wheelers, my kid's four-wheeler, power wheels, like all this stuff. Riding mower, I use this. I'm remodeling my kitchen, so I do have some appliances in here. Those will be gone soon. But like that rack, I don't even use that thing. I'm gonna toss that. Anyways, I'm to the point that I can start building the shelving on this back wall. It is a lot. Anyway, stay tuned. Okay, so the first board is up. This is just gonna be a ledger board, which part of the shelf hangs on. The shelf's gonna be 4 feet wide. By the way, this was an add-on garage, and it had a bunch of leaks when I first moved in, so we had to replace a bunch of the ceiling. So if you see some of that, don't be a hater. You're gonna be doing lots of cutting. Measure twice, cut once. Now to cutting the 4x4s. Okay, so here's the shelving right now. I'm hanging off the sides. I'm screwing nails from the other side of this board into that. Nails are held into that. I'm gonna have another 2x4 similar to that over there that's gonna be tacked on just for an extra support. And I actually have SDS screws that are about 5 inches, I think 4.5 inches long, ran from here through here. If I could go back and redo it, I just don't want to go to the store, but I would probably use hangers that wrap up over the top. But I guess it is what it is. Maybe I can go back and do it later, but I'm not gonna worry about it right now. Okay, so I have everything framed in, all the shelving over here framed in. Everything framed in. It's surprising to think that I have all this shit in my garage. This is a 1.5 car garage, and I always put a car in here. I feel like this shelving was a really good idea. So you guys are able to see some of the struggles, but I feel like this one would be a good one to show. It's a 4x8, 1/2 inch piece of plywood. Probably weighs like 600 pounds or something, no big deal. Anyways, I'll just put this bitch on by myself. I feel like it's not gonna go easy. First one in place, lines up almost perfectly. Anyways, I'm gonna scroll this down. Wish my framing nail are actually was worth the shit. Don't buy Central Pneumatic framing nailers, are terrible. But I'm gonna screw this bitch down and go from there. Once you get to this stage, it's kind of nice because you're just throwing plywood on. Just have to do a little bit of cutting. Long cuts on plywood. I got a video on how to cut long pieces of wood, straight pieces, how to cut it straight, and getting very, very close to the end. But I'm going to show you the struggle I have to go through here. I have another shelf up here which I only store ladders and old wood on, or leftover wood. But you're about to see the struggle that I had to go through. I've already done a couple of them, but all right. Okay, so it doesn't look like I made a big difference yet, but I still need to clean everything up and organize. Started putting stuff up here on this top shelf. I built these shelves on the side. This is just a support for this beam, and for this 4x4 is just a support for this beam and for this. I have another one over there, and if it ever starts sagging, which I don't think it will, I'll just put another support in the middle, but hopefully I don't have to do that. Anyways, super excited the way it's turning out. Got a lot more room and a lot more shelving, and I got rid of that metal one over here. All right, so here we are. It doesn't look like much. But like I said, for an add-on garage, about 1.5 cars. And I have a lot of toys, you know what I mean? Four-wheelers, little mini dirt bike, motorcycle, riding mower. These are appliances that are gonna go in my kitchen as soon as I finish remodeling it. But I was running out of room, and I built this. That's all new shelving. Pretty happy with it. I've actually climbed on it, hung on it. Now I feel like I have a lot more room. I can store everything in the back. And I think I'm actually gonna build more of that large shelving across this side. But I need to finish reframing this. Some of those are starting to rot out on the bottom. And yeah, I think that's it. As always, like, comment, subscribe. Made a huge difference.